I have a visor. Should be pretty close. Oh yeah, she ready. Oh, she ready. She's so clean, dude. I said she's so clean, it's almost the same.
Yeah,
Almost. Oh, you got a zip tie? Probably just one. And the question is, how y'all zip tie this?
zip ties. I drilled a hole through it, look.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Just around the fork?
Yep.
Yeah.
So I almost grabbed the white one.
You gotta mix and match them. Little maintenance here, no big deal. You gotta take care of the bike, so the bike take care of you. Should have done that before I got the seat all wet. Oh, it's gonna be a slick day. Oh, oh. Easy on that brake. Every time I feel confident it rains, it gets muddy and it humbles me real quick. Let her eat.
Right.
We doing Enduro today. Well, they're doing Enduro. I'm trying to keep up. Holy fuck. Uh-oh. I'm coming, I'm coming. Well, that sucked. Oh, now it's just spinning. I made it. We got another one. Is this one new? Oh, I got some new. Oh! That wasn't too bad. Oh, shit. Whoa! Oh. wave. Oh no, easy as him. Oh my god. I don't know if I can do that. I don't know about it.
Hit it, dude. It's easy.
Alright, let me turn around.
It's easier than you think. Broke that tree with my foot. Hey, as soon as you start going downhill, give it some throttle, and that'll push you through right up the other side.
It seems kind of steep.
Keep your weight a little bit forward, you're good. It ain't nothing. It's a cakewalk. First gear, strong push. Once you're going downhill, just give it throttle and go. You gotta commit. No,
I know, I don't want to commit.
you got to. Well, if you do it once, you'll do it again. Go right in that line, yeah.
Huh?
Go right in that line.
I'm fucking terrified.
It ain't bad. Don't be scared 'cause you ain't done it yet.
Huh? All that. All that overthinking. All that overthinking. For nothing.
Drove right through it.
I was like, oh, and as soon as it started coming up, I was like, I don't know, just stay in it. Then I was up, and I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah, don't think about it. You gotta give it throttle and let it go.
Yeah. Well, I felt the front wheel when I was stopped. I felt it wanting to go, and I was like, I guess I have to commit, so fuck it.
Yep. I don't know any more lines.
Huh?
I'm gonna make one over here. Hey,
Oh my god, look at this shit. Ah! God damn it! I don't know my butt. There's a worm! You fucking hit a worm on me, bro.
I didn't realize you were right behind.
You know, part of me is like, I should wait for them to do it first to make sure they can get it through. You know? So we gotta hang back a minute and let them pump the line. And then I'll just go through it easily. summer and dry. Yeah. Wait, what the fuck? Oh. Came around that way and y'all were blocked by the trees. I was like, where the fuck did they go? I'm feeling a little cold.
Come pull on this tree.
Huh?
Come pull this tree. Come up here. Trying to tie the.
Oh shit.
Trying to tie the vine to it.
This one?
Yeah. Try to pull that through there.
Ow!
Oh, it's almost through there.
Keep going, keep going.
You gotta keep going.
I'm giving her about all I can get.
It's almost there.
Hang on, hang on. Ready?
Yeah. There we go. Alright, it's through. Alright, it's stuck around this tree for good. Yeah, that damn vine. That motherfucker.
It's out the way now. You just gotta watch your head.
I seen this.
Oh shit.
So I had to stop and grab F for Miley. Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So, you know.
Give it back to her. She's like, motherfucker, I hid that over there.
Yeah, she's like, you son of a bitch, where did you find that?
You come back next
I thought
week.
I hit that son of a bitch good.
Come out here next week, it's in the same spot. After you. Yeah, boy. Ah. Oh, a little fast off the clutch. Oh, I'm off the clutch completely. What the fuck was that? Oh, sorry about my hand. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Fuck. Jesus. Back on the bike. Hey. Fucking hook. Yeah, my tires wouldn't do shit out here today.
There's a line.
I found mine. Maybe. Shit, my hoodie off. There you go. Yeah. Now let's see if I got a good line or a really, really bad one. Spinning in the right. Looks like we're hiking it. Damn it. You do that and you're only halfway up the fucking hill. Alright. I made it! Huh. Oh, that's neutral. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh shit.
It's all corn, right? It's all corn.
Oh yeah. Huh. That line's a little much for me. Well, oh! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You go over it?
I jumped that motherfucker! Bro, I saw David do it and I was like, alright, I'm gonna do it. And I stood up and I went to preload it and I went, oh, oh! I was like, oh god!
Bad.
Hey, you hit it.
Hey!
You hit it.
Oh man.
It wasn't for the log there. He made shit.
I was riding up to it, I went, stood up, oh, and that back wheel just grabbed it. I was like, oh no, dude.
All I saw was the skid plate.
Hey, we watch it back on the GoPro when we get back to the house, dude. Oh my god. And I hit that shit though. I hit that shit.
There you go.
What?
Popped my hand.
Oh. Holy fuck. How the fuck did I stay on the bike? I don't know how the fuck I stayed on.